Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Basic Mode and Basic Mode Plus. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like for you to make sure that you are currently connected to either Wi-Fi, or if you're using mobile data, make sure that you have enough load or data. Or if you want to, you can just go ahead and use Wi-Fi, disable data, and everything will be fixed. As you can see here, I'm currently using Wi-Fi, but if you're using mobile data, you'll have the Basic Mode or Basic Mode Plus option right here at the very top or at the top right. Or sometimes it will say by data. Okay, you're gonna want to tap on it, and then at the top right, you'll be able to see the gear icon or settings icon. Tap on it and then just tap on opt out of Basic Mode or opt out of Basic Mode Plus. And then once that's done, you should be good to go. Again, you'll only be able to see these settings if you're currently connected to mobile data, and some mobile networks will only provide basic mode when you're out of mobile data. Alright, so I hope that makes sense. That's how easy it is to fix Facebook Basic Mode and Basic Mode Plus. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.